Welcome to WordPress Class 10. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to enhance user interaction on your WordPress website by leveraging two powerful features: contact forms and user-generated content. By the end of this class, you'll have the skills to create engaging websites that foster meaningful interactions with your audience. WordPress tutorial: Importance of user interaction on websites. In this tutorial, we'll explore why user interaction is crucial for the success of websites and how you can leverage WordPress to enhance it. User interaction encompasses various actions users take while visiting a website, including clicking links, filling out forms, leaving comments, and sharing content. Understanding the importance of user interaction is key to creating engaging and user-friendly websites that effectively meet the needs of your audience. At enhancing user experience. User engagement: active participation of users on your website leads to increased engagement, longer time spent on site, and lower bounce rates. Personalization: interactive features allow you to tailor the user experience based on individual preferences, leading to a more personalized and relevant browsing experience. Navigation: user interaction helps guide visitors through your website, making it easier for them to find what they're looking for and reducing frustration. Increasing engagement and conversions. Call to action: CTA interactive elements such as buttons, forms, and quizzes encourage users to take desired actions, such as making a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, or filling out a contact form. Feedback and communication: interactive features like comment sections, live chat, and contact forms enable direct communication between users and website owners, fostering trust and building relationships. Social sharing: interactive social sharing buttons and widgets encourage users to share your content with their networks, expanding your reach and driving traffic to your website. Improving SEO performance. User-generated content: interactive features that allow users to contribute content, such as comments, reviews, and testimonials, not only enhance user engagement but also provide fresh and relevant content that can improve search engine rankings. Dwell time: websites with engaging and interactive content tend to have higher dwell times, which is a positive signal to search engines indicating the quality and relevance of the content. Mobile friendliness: responsive and interactive design elements ensure a seamless user experience across all devices, which is a crucial factor in search engine ranking algorithms. Building community and brand loyalty. User feedback: interactive features like polls, surveys, and feedback forms allow you to gather valuable insights from your audience, enabling you to better understand their needs and preferences. Community engagement: interactive forums, discussion boards, and social media integration facilitate community building and foster a sense of belonging among users, leading to increased brand loyalty and advocacy. User-generated content: encouraging users to contribute content, such as testimonials, reviews, and user-generated videos, not only adds credibility to your brand but also strengthens the sense of community and belonging. Conclusion: user interaction is a fundamental aspect of website design and plays a crucial role in driving engagement, conversions, and brand loyalty. By prioritizing user interaction and leveraging interactive features effectively, you can create a more engaging, user-friendly, and successful website with WordPress. Setting up contact forms in WordPress. Contact forms are essential for facilitating communication between website owners and visitors. In this section, we'll explore the importance of contact forms, how to choose a contact form plugin, and a step-by-step guide to setting up a contact form using WordPress. Understanding the importance of contact forms. Contact forms provide a convenient and accessible way for visitors to reach out to you, whether they have questions, feedback, or inquiries. They help streamline communication by gathering essential information from users, such as their name, email address, and message, making it easier for you to respond promptly and effectively. Contact forms help protect your email address from spam and unwanted solicitations by providing a secure and private channel for communication. They contribute to a professional and trustworthy image for your website, demonstrating that you are accessible and responsive to your audience's needs. Choosing a contact form plugin. WordPress offers a variety of contact form plugins to choose from, each with its own features and functionalities. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, integration with other plugins, and support when choosing a contact form plugin that best suits your needs. Popular contact form plugins include Contact Form 7, WP Forms, Gravity Forms, Ninja Forms, and Formidable Forms. See, step-by-step guide to setting up a contact form using WordPress. Installing the chosen plugin. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, Add New. Search for the contact form plugin of your choice and click Install Now. Once the plugin is installed, click Activate to enable it on your website. Configuring form fields. After activating the plugin, you'll typically find a new menu item in your WordPress dashboard for the contact form plugin. Access the plugin settings and configure the form fields according to your preferences. This may include adding fields for name, email, subject, message, etc. Customize the form layout, styling, and any additional settings such as spam protection and email notifications. Placing the form on your website. Once you've configured the form, you'll need to insert it into a page or post on your website where you want it to appear. Create a new page or edit an existing one where you want the contact form to be displayed. Use the shortcode provided by the contact form plugin to insert the form into the page or post content. Save or update the page to apply the changes. Testing the functionality. After placing the form on your website, it's essential to test its functionality to ensure everything is working correctly. Fill out the form with test data and submit it to verify that you received the submission notification via email. Check that the submitted form data is captured accurately and that any validation or error messages are displayed correctly. If any issues are identified, revisit the plugin settings to troubleshoot and make necessary adjustments. Conclusion. Setting up contact forms in WordPress is a straightforward process that provides a valuable channel for communication between you and your website visitors. By understanding the importance of contact forms, choosing the right plugin, and following the step-by-step guide outlined above, you can create effective and user-friendly contact forms that enhance the overall functionality and accessibility of your WordPress website. Encouraging user interaction with comments in WordPress. Comments play a significant role in fostering user interaction and community engagement on your WordPress website. In this tutorial, we'll explore the benefits of enabling comments, how to set them up in WordPress, and effective strategies for encouraging meaningful user comments. Benefits of enabling comments on your website. Increased engagement. Comments create opportunities for visitors to interact with your content, share their thoughts, and participate in discussions, leading to increased engagement and a sense of community. Feedback and insights. Comments provide valuable feedback from your audience, allowing you to understand their perspectives, address their concerns, and improve your content accordingly. Social proof. Positive comments and discussions add credibility to your website and encourage new visitors to engage with your content, ultimately building trust and loyalty. Enabling comments in WordPress. Configuring comment settings. Access your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Settings discussion. Choose the desired options for comment settings, including whether to allow comments on new posts and pages, the structure of comment threads, and comment moderation settings. Customize additional settings such as comment display options, avatars, and email notifications as needed. Setting up comment moderation. Enable comment moderation to prevent spam and maintain the quality of discussions on your website. Specify criteria for automatically holding comments for moderation, such as the number of links or specific keywords. Set up notifications to receive alerts when new comments are submitted for moderation, allowing you to review and approve them promptly. Strategies for encouraging meaningful user comments. Prompting questions in blog posts. Encourage discussion by ending your blog posts with open-ended questions or prompts related to the content. Invite readers to share their opinions, experiences, or additional insights on the topic, prompting them to leave comments and engage with your content. Responding to comments promptly. Actively monitor and respond to comments on your website in a timely manner to demonstrate your engagement and appreciation for user feedback. Engage in meaningful conversations with commenters, addressing their questions, acknowledging their contributions, and fostering a sense of community. Running comment contests or incentives. Encourage participation by offering incentives such as prizes, discounts, or exclusive content for users who leave comments on specific posts. Host comment contests where users can compete for rewards based on the quality or creativity of their comments, stimulating interaction and excitement among your audience. Conclusion. By enabling comments on your WordPress website and implementing strategies to encourage meaningful user interaction, you can foster a vibrant community of engaged readers and contributors. Embrace the benefits of comments, configure your settings effectively, and employ creative tactics to inspire active participation and discussion among your audience. Managing and moderating user-generated content in WordPress. User-generated content, UGC, can greatly enhance the engagement and authenticity of your WordPress website. However, it's essential to effectively manage and moderate this content to maintain quality, protect your brand reputation, and ensure a positive user experience. In this tutorial, we'll explore the types of user-generated content, how to implement moderation tools in WordPress, and strategies for creating guidelines to govern user contributions. Understanding the types of user-generated content. Comments, feedback, discussions, and reactions provided by users on blog posts, articles, or pages. Reviews and ratings, user-generated assessments and evaluations of products, services, or experiences. User-submitted content, contributions such as images, videos, articles, or testimonials provided by users for publication on your website. Social media integration, integration of content from social media platforms, such as embedded tweets or Instagram posts, generated by users. B. Implementing moderation tools in WordPress. Setting up user roles and permissions. Define user roles and permissions in WordPress to regulate who can contribute content and what actions they can perform. Assign appropriate roles, such as contributors, authors, editors, or administrators, based on the level of trust and responsibility required. Using comment moderation tools. Configure comment moderation settings in WordPress to review and approve comments before they are published. Enable features such as comment moderation queue, where comments are held for review, and comment blacklisting to filter out spam or inappropriate content automatically. Dealing with spam and inappropriate content. Install and activate anti-spam plugins like Akismet or Spam Protection to prevent spam comments and form submissions. Regularly monitor and review user-generated content to identify and address any inappropriate or offensive contributions promptly. Provide options for users to report abusive or inappropriate content, and establish procedures for handling such reports. C. Creating guidelines for user-generated content. Establishing community standards. Develop clear and concise guidelines outlining acceptable behavior, content standards, and prohibited actions or content. Define the types of content that are encouraged, discouraged, or strictly prohibited, ensuring alignment with your website's values and objectives. Communicating guidelines to users. Display the community guidelines prominently on your website, such as in the comments section, submission forms, or a dedicated page. Encourage users to review and adhere to the guidelines before contributing content, and provide guidance on how to report violations or seek assistance. Enforcing guidelines consistently. Enforce the community guidelines consistently and fairly, applying appropriate consequences for violations, such as content removal, user warnings, or account suspension. Regularly review and update the guidelines to address evolving challenges or feedback from users, ensuring they remain relevant and effective. Conclusion. Effectively managing and moderating user-generated content in WordPress is essential for maintaining a positive and engaging online community. By understanding the types of user-generated content, implementing moderation tools, and creating clear guidelines, you can foster a welcoming environment that encourages meaningful contributions while safeguarding the integrity and reputation of your website. Conclusion. A recap of key points covered in Class 10. We explored the importance of user interaction on websites, including its role in enhancing user experience, increasing engagement, and improving conversions. Key features such as contact forms and user-generated content were highlighted for their contribution to fostering meaningful interactions with website visitors. Practical tutorials were provided on setting up contact forms, enabling comments, and managing user-generated content in WordPress, emphasizing the importance of effective implementation and moderation. The importance of ongoing engagement with user interaction features. Continuous engagement with user interaction features is essential for maintaining an active and vibrant online community. Regularly monitor and respond to user interactions, such as comments, inquiries, and feedback, to demonstrate responsiveness and foster trust with your audience. Explore new opportunities to enhance user interaction, such as hosting live chats, implementing polls or surveys, and encouraging user-generated content submissions. See encouragement to explore additional resources for further learning. Learning is an ongoing process, and there are numerous resources available to deepen your understanding of user interaction and WordPress functionality. Consider exploring WordPress forums, blogs, tutorials, and online courses to stay updated on best practices, tips, and advanced techniques. Engage with the WordPress community by participating in discussions, attending events, and connecting with fellow website owners and developers for valuable insights and support. By incorporating the knowledge and skills gained from Class 10 into your WordPress website management strategy, you'll be better equipped to create engaging and interactive experiences that resonate with your audience and drive success. Keep exploring, experimenting, and learning to stay ahead in your WordPress journey.